Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a JBL Partybox 310 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working. Maybe it's not connecting to your phone, or it's not syncing with Bluetooth or pairing with Bluetooth, or keeps disconnecting, or any issues like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Or you can just buy a new speaker. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a speaker to replace this. But anyways, you also might want to do this if you want to delete any of the pairing history or anything like that off the speaker, just so that you can set this up like it's a new speaker coming out of the box on a new device or whatever. It's very easy. We just need to, first of all, make sure our speaker is on, and then once the speaker is on, we're just going to come over here and we're going to find the volume up and the play button, which are right next to each other over here on the left side, and just press and hold both of those buttons simultaneously for more than 10 seconds. And after those 10 seconds or so, the speaker will automatically turn off and then restart into its factory default settings, and you can set this up as a brand new speaker.